My desk is just a hot mess and I need to get organized. Everybody, we're here for a Dollar Tree DIY. I know that's everyone's favorite. So everyone's just hanging out today, working on their own little hobby, and I got a DIY for you, so let's get into it. First, we're gonna need a pizza tray from the Dollar Tree. We're gonna need some magnets from the Dollar Tree. We all remember these from elementary school. And then you're gonna need paper from the Dollar Tree. Cheating a little bit and using paper from Joann's. First, let's get our pizza pan. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. What am I thinking? We need Dollar Tree's Mod Podge, a little spongy thing, and we're gonna need an X-Acto knife. Definitely a perfectionist sometimes, so I hope I can get this good enough. Oh, we're on a roll, we're on a roll. Took a break real quick. I put 2 coats of Mod Podge on here and it's looking really sharp. Really gonna add to my command center. Okay, so I bought these, but this Dollar Tree rope is gonna be our jam. So it actually fits right under here perfectly. Love it when my plan works out perfect. And give this sucker something to hang on. I love doing these kinds of things, guys. Everyone always asks me, oh, you can't be that busy. How are you always so busy? Well, I have things I like to do. I have a full-time job and I'm a single mom. What do you mean, how am I so busy? I'm glad I have my YouTube channel to show people what I'm busy doing all the time. Like, I can't find my glue sticks. That just took me about 15 minutes to look and I still haven't found them. That's what I'm doing. Don't burn yourself, guys. We've all done it and we all know it hurts. So here is my updated command center. I am so excited. I love how this came out. I don't think it necessarily looks homemade. And I think it would be a great idea to make 1 or 2 more. I'm thinking this can be my to-do list just for life, and then I can make another one for YouTube to keep me on track. And here's my full command center. I just had this bulletin board, which I made myself, and I used the little Jot Dollar Tree push pins and some extra fabric. And then I have this little calendar that came with a clipboard from the Target Dollar Spot. And I love that it's magnetic. If you enjoy Dollar Tree DIYs and you enjoyed this DIY, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'll see you on the next one, guys.